Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study more effectively in high school. First, let's set you up for success. Find a quiet, dedicated spot where you can focus without interruptions. Next, create a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 1 to 2 hours each weekday. Finally, tackle big projects by breaking them into smaller, achievable steps. This approach makes daunting tasks feel much more manageable and helps you stay on track. Now, let's talk about engaging with your material. Instead of just rereading, try summarizing your notes in your own words right after class. A fantastic way to deepen your understanding is to explain difficult concepts to someone else. If you can teach it, you truly know it. Also, incorporate active recall methods like flashcards or practice questions to test your memory and identify knowledge gaps effectively. Managing your time wisely is crucial for sustained effectiveness. Consider using the Pomodoro technique, where you study intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Always prioritize your assignments using a planner, focusing on the most important tasks first. Remember, short, regular breaks are not a luxury. They are essential for maintaining focus, preventing mental fatigue, and boosting overall productivity throughout your study sessions. Finally, consistent review and self-assessment are key to mastering your subjects. Make it a habit to revisit older material regularly. This strengthens your long-term memory and prevents information from fading. Take practice tests, often to pinpoint exactly where you need more work. Always reflect on what study methods are working best for you, and don't hesitate to adjust your approach to maximize your learning potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.